Hello everyone, welcome to the word lessons. Today I will introduce some useful function of setting the page. What is page setup? There are several elements of a page, such as size, page color, and margin. Before we start the class, you can open the learning material in the Word folder at the desktop and choose the Course 5 document. At Course 5.1, I will show you how to change the margin. What is margin? Margin is a blank area between content edge and page edge. In this area, we cannot type in any words or insert any picture. The little line represents the edge of the margin. First, click Layout tabs and click Margin ribbon. First one is normal setting. This kind of margin is commonly used. Second one is narrow setting. In this setting, the margin between content and page edge look very small, so you can type more words in this page. The third one is wide setting. In this setting, the margin between content and page edge looks bigger. At Course 5.2, I will show you how to change the orientation and size. First, click Layout tabs and click Orientations ribbon. The normal setting is Portrait. If you want to change your page to the horizontal size, you can click Landscape. And then is a size setting. First, click the Layout tabs and click Size ribbon. A4 is a normal setting. It is the normal paper size that we commonly use in daily life. And you can also select A5. A5 is a paper size that 1/3 to A4. At Course 5.3, I will show you how to change the page color. First, click the Design tab and click Page Color ribbon. Select the page color you like. At Course 5.4, I will show you how to add page number. There are page numbers in every book, but if you want to type the page number by yourself, it may be too complicated to do. So there are a useful function in Word. First, click Insert tab and find Head and Footer groups. Click Page Number ribbon. Click bottom of the page option. Click Plan 2. After finish editing, click Close Head and Footer, and you can see your page number show up at the bottom of the page.